Hi there, it's Kerry from the Soap Coach. Just popping on really quickly to show you how to add a Facebook event on for something that you're attending with your soaps and skincare products. So that might be a summer fair, it might be a dog show, it might be a county show, it can be anything really, and you do not need to be arranging the event. You can just be there with your stand or stall and you can still create a Facebook event. And the reason for doing that is because if you don't tell everybody out there that this event is on and you're going to be there, then they won't know, bottom line. So I don't know about you, but I always look, if I'm trying to find something to do, I will have a look on what's on in my local area on Facebook events, and that's where it will pop up. So anyone looking to see what they can go to, what might appeal, if they look on there, then your event and your attendance at it will pop up, which will be brilliant. And then once you've created your event, if you want to, you can share it on your Facebook page, you can share it on your own Facebook account, you can ask your friends to share it, and you can even boost it if you want to, which it can be worth doing. I wouldn't boost it if it wasn't something I was organising, but it's just worth bearing in mind. Okie dokie, so to do this, you obviously need to have a Facebook page and in your business name. So I'm just going to change my screen and we'll pop back onto there. Bear with me, I'm just going to change my screen. Right, so you should be able to see my Facebook page now. I'm just going to take it right back to my main page so you can see how to get to your events. So this is your business page. Make sure it's your business that you're signed in as, not as yourself. And then you need to go to your professional dashboard. And then if you just tab down here, you can go to events. It's like everything. This is really easy to do, but unless you know how to do it, it's time consuming trying to find out how to do it. So here I've got a couple of events in here at the moment which are current. And I am going to post another summer body workshop. I've just added a new one for the Sunday afternoon. Now, although mine are from my classes and workshops, the principle is the same. It's still an event that we are attending. And we are going to go to create event. Here we go. Now, this is not a picture I want. I'm going to change it. So I can go to edit, go to upload cover photo, and then if I go to my downloads, it's not the best of pictures, but it's one that I've got on there. That will do for now. I can always change it if I want to. And it's like it says, you can drag to change the positioning if you want to. Let's get rid of the blue. There we go. Let's move it up there a bit. That's it. So my event is summer body product. Making workshop. Now yours can be summer fair at such and such a school, or dog show, as I say, whatever the name is, pop it in there. And then the date for me is the 22nd of July. And as it happens, it does start at 2 o'clock. I'm just going to pop an end date in there as well, so everybody knows it's a 2-hour workshop. And it's an in-person class. And the location will be, for me, the Soap Coach headquarters, as it were. So, let's change that. I don't know why it doesn't automatically do it, but it doesn't for some reason. I'm just going to change it to Dorchester, and I'm just somewhere up here. So that will do for now, but I can always make it more accurate if I wanted to. Public for who can see it is automatic anyway. And then what are the details? This is where you have to sell it and make it sound really wonderful so that everybody wants to come and see you. And go for it. I say just write a really good write-up in there. Now, I've already done mine just to save a bit of time. So I'm going to copy that and paste it in. Then I'm going to go to market my event and I'm going to put it, so for me it would be crafts For you, it depends on what you're doing really and what you're going to. If it's some sort of craft show, I'd probably still put crafts, or you could put it under home and garden or shopping, healthy living and self-care. It depends really on what it is that you're going to. If you are going to an event that somebody else has put on, you can add them on. I wouldn't do it as a co-host unless you are co-hosting. But if you are co-hosting, then you can pop the other person in here. Add tickets. So if you're just attending an event, you probably won't need this part. But for me, I need to be able to tell everyone how they can buy tickets. So I'm just going to find my link on my website. So that's the workshop. We'll just pull that out of there, pop that there, and then pop that in there. I don't want to repeat event, but if you were going to multiple ones every week or every month and it was the same event, you could do that. Communication settings. I like to give people a bit of privacy, so if they say they're going, they might not want everyone knowing, so I unclick guest list. And I'm quite happy for everyone to post in the event, so if anyone wants to ask questions, they can. And then you just go to create event, and that's it. That will come up in a moment. It does take a minute. Then once it's on your Facebook page, you can obviously share it on your own Facebook page. You can share it in local groups. So for me, it would be Weymouth or Dorchester groups. You can ask your friends to share it. And you can, if you want to, you can pay to boost it. But I wouldn't recommend that if it's not something that you are organising yourself. But once you've created it as an event, it's great because you don't have to keep talking about it. If you want to just share it once a week on your business page as a reminder for everybody, then it's already written, so it's there. You don't need to worry about it. Okie dokie, I hope you found that helpful. If you've got any questions at all, pop them in the comments and I'll try and remember to come back and check. I'm not that great at it, but I will do my best. Have a good one.